I'm Dr. J.
I'm Rosie Foxy. I'm Ruby Rose.
And today we're bringing the latest grades from off the shelf. Roxy, what are we doing today?
We're trying Brittle mixed brownie.
As y'all know, I don't cook, so this will be a show with Ruby and Roxy. We'll be right back.
I'm Rosie Foxy.
And I'm Ruby Rose.
And today we are doing Brittle mixed brownie. I'm really excited for this because I love brownie and I love brittle, so this is awesome, and I love chocolate.
And I love chocolate, and brownies are one of my most favorite things in the whole wide world. And in 3 easy steps, we're going to show you how to do this, and it will come out delicious. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so what you need is 1 stick of butter. Heat the oven to 375 degrees. Stir it together. You can use a mixer or your hands until it forms a stiff dough. You press it onto a nonstick pan into a rectangle, and then you bake it for 10 to 13 minutes. So we got this Betty Crocker mix, our local Ingles, I think. We paid roughly $2, I think, or $1. Not 100% sure, but we're going to find out how it goes.
So our oven has been preheated, and we are fixing to put the dough on the sheet. And Miss Roxy is going to pat it out with her hands. We'll put it in the oven, let it bake for 10 to 13 minutes.
Of my soul, Jesus, I will never let you go. You've taken me from the miry clay, set my feet upon the rock, and now I know I love you. I need you. Though my world may fall, I'll never let you go. You're my savior.
So the girls are behind me cooking, and while they're cooking, I'm gonna try this brownie mix over here.
Oh, you can't. Oh, no.
Mm. So far, so good. We shall see if everything. Hi.
Try it.
We'll see if everything turns out all right after it's baked. I've already bit it. Weirdo. Not bad, a little salty. We'll be right back.
So this is how thin we actually got it. It didn't work very well, so we had to improvise using a cup and not our hands to roll it out. So now we're going to put it in the oven and let it bake.
You go. You're my savior. You're my closest friend.
And we're back with the Brownie Brittle.
Oh, I see how
As
it
you can see, as you can see, you can't see Roxy. We do have some parts here that got a little extra dark, and some parts are a little thicker than others. But we haven't done the taste test yet.
I'm going to grab this.
Roxy, Miss Ruby. Now some are a little thicker than others. So here we go. Y'all ready?
Joy. Very crispy.
Very crispy, very buttery. Obviously. Maybe it should have been made a little thinner. I know they worked really, really hard on getting it thin, and it wasn't exactly the easiest task.
No.
I will say this, it's really good.
I like it because you can taste like the butter and the non-stick butter. And, well,
The regular butter.
yeah.
We
And
did spray the pan a little bit.
I really like it because it's crispy and reminds me of the top piece of a brownie. So I think it's really good.
Especially if you like the crispy edge on a brownie.
I love the crispy edge of the brownie.
Ruby, not saying anything.
Well, I think, in my opinion, that it's really good. I agree with our chocolate could be a little thinner.
That's Dr. J, thank you.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
We're still working on the new ones.
Who is nervous?
She don't even know. Anyways, guys, yum or scum?
Yum.
Yum!
I would say it's borderline. Probably more yum than scum, but just by that much.
You can't be a part of the family.
It was really good, really easy. We do have another one to do at a future date. So stick around for that. Make sure you like and subscribe. Share with... Ooh, I'm sorry.
Oh,
Alright.
Share with your friends and the Exactly Boys and Spice Girls.
Of course, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, of course, here on YouTube. Like and subscribe. Till next time, guys.